Randomino brings a new live effect to Adobe Illustrator called Perturb. Whereas it's possible to access this effect via the Effect Randomino menu, immediate and comprehensive control is found in the Perturb panel. I also have the Native Appearance panel open, which is always recommended when working with native and Astute graphics live effects. To start the demonstration, I will use this artwork constructed with a 4x4 grid of square designs. All 16 designs are then combined into a single group. Selecting this group, I will apply the effect using the settings shown. You can see the resultant non-destructive effect is listed in the Appearance panel. Unlike some native effects, especially roughen, no new points are generated. Instead, Perturb simply repositions existing points and handles. In this example, the result is working as a whole on the overall group. Notice how no gaps appear between each square element as all points are moved in unison. Returning to the Perturb panel, I can increase the Crinkle setting. At the previous value of 1, the group appeared to distort like a single sheet. But as I increase Crinkle to 2, effectively that sheet is divided into 2 sections, both horizontally and vertically. The end result is still cohesive with all neighbouring points remaining together, but there is more distortion taking place. As the original artwork is a grid of 4x4, if I increase the Crinkle to 4, the Crinkle settings reflect the number of grid sections and the distortion increases further. Note that as Perturb does not add any additional points, a higher Crinkle level on this example will not result in any significant further distortion. For that, the underlying artwork would require more details and segments. Beyond the Crinkle setting, the distance and associated relative absolute controls work as expected. Increased levels result in points and handles being randomly pushed around further. It's also very welcome that the distance control is non-linear. It's easy to add very subtle distortions with a slider in the left-hand range. If you want to shake up the random result, simply click on the Seed button. There is no need to remove and reapply the effect to get a different result. The final option is to ignore grouping. Ticking this ensures that each path in the selection behaves independently. As may be seen in this example, that can result in gaps appearing between the squares. It's now time to apply this effect to an illustration. This stock artwork will have Perturb applied to make it a crooked house. By first selecting the overall house, excluding the windows, I will apply the same settings. By deselecting the Ignore Grouping option, the integrity of the house can be ensured, making sure that no gaps appear between walls and roof lines. I can shake the effect a few times using the Seed button until I'm happy with the result. Next, I will select all window groups and deselect the previously adjusted house group. By hiding the edges, I can see the result more clearly. Notice how, even though made random, the window panes remain relative within the frame borders. It's all been randomized intelligently. Please refer to our written documentation and other training material for full details of all tools and features within the Randomino plugin.